bia akunya odi bia either sene wofa ana eye mama akunya nso a ne papa ena ne di enti no ade a wo fie no eche se wo nanam abokwan to ena wo ba nti wo san a wo se adwumaden ene osoma me nana ne wofa na me wofa na me papa mo som ye ena me ba beto so wo ba ya wo se se mo makwan ade nti na me wofa mo kwa asante me de me nko ena wo hwe ba bi ti se tano so asema a wo kan ya Asantehene nso wo kana se mi anu a relax on shedam didi wo ho yenya ne dia no onko prem peda onfa nya hwi ne ndi ya ne dia de nipa da sani pin ho asase so betima gi free nsem ene de obi anfa nhye ne trim obetima ye dede obetima atwe da re obetima ahan boys amoma ye dede one day wa a ebe you prison
Ohene mechiao
so miya
Asantehene eko Ghana Police Service asweye na ohene kese make statement bi emra oko Ghana Police Service asweye enum omokode ekita ho but say custom was the first law and culture was the first constitution nigga say yamane no enene first law ye beto ye ena yamamre no enso so eye constitution ntini se yebu ye ne goso as oman sa profound statement ni ye gina so abusa se so tiobodom hunsem sampa hunsem ohwe fia pre techre enin kroni bebre a wo bono mantam ho a ohene pon krase awose otimi pija wo no nyina baye Paramount sisa enipa bi di wantwi ewo bono mantam ho no onye sure se statement ye ohene make yi enka nanu si ya nenka abankaba egu nipa bi nsa ewo bono mem ho se ye Sumahene se ye Dormaahene se ye hwan obi a ogina obi achi anase o hye obi achi se ompene ema custom anase culture enya adwuma no onye sure se awase kanipa no otwena ba kokomu emfato ho kakra ene tanoso case ya ben eye tanoso a eben tachiman ye Nana kwaten ana obo no ho safohene se oyo hene o tanoso no it's alleged say it's not kotum we are still tracking that story to know say no krana senya no kre but for now no it appears say eya no kre sa nsema Asantehene ko kan yi ene ahinsie onsem sampa ne tanoso ne nkro keka ho no wo se na osifa no
yo edikan dawasi ewa akwanya mami abribia mchema dini fa akan amamre yamanyo sem ene Ghana sensem me dawasi pa yo de ukai opemso mehu video that circulating na me Accra me fi bi la. It was breaking news to everybody that day, and I think it's a historical moment as well, because this is the first of kind that certain Asantehene be abo no ho sunset or na bedwafo na man hene ne abmpon sorry free kana be Ghana police headquarters, I mean the National Police Headquarters in the nation. Secondly, and so almost at so a Bank of Ghana. Obi Bebusa say, what is the need of all these visits? Obi Bebusa say, na Asantehene kwa okoyi mfazo be krane also. Why would he be going there? Why would Asantehene be going there? Is he going there to do anything extraordinary, or he's going there just to be known or seen at the society? So I want to say opinion. Ohene is the highly so representative of the people. And Ohene ena amount for how pa Ohene only the who can say pa because complaints I want already. Echo. In the current dispensation way, a generation way woman. Yadi ahini asinche, and yadi amanyo abedikai. That is the biggest deception I ever. It's one of the biggest deception. I just said, no me know how be idea to you. I didn't make us. Okasano Osei. Osei custom was the first law. And yes, I know kind.
yeah
And culture was the first constitution.
sabe pepe
So Eddie Kaino, Menu me no. The Otumfuo Akan. Kasa mu bi so the measure. Enti ye better no one after the other. So the bear a bit me ide actually me. So ye kasa customs what is customs? A kwanya enipa efaswa ye live. So what you say? How people live, accept how traditional and widely acceptance way of living or behaving or doing things. So what you say? Sometimes it means specify and say a particular society or a place or a time. So what you say? And no any customs. Sorry, me dry Accra. So and yede eti society na yekase culture so any day. So what you say? Culture and also any day. Culture a kwanya ye faso ye gino mabidi. Ye sister ye kasa ye duane ye kwanya ye normal ye mpenifo anwene amaye ye artifacts no. So what you say? And society no baby it no kwanya faso ye normal. So the measure no. And no any friend no culture in a social form no, in a social norm no, tradition and material subjects and all we can pass down through generations and your friend culture. Now Asantehene the nim de ni nyansa yakopon de adom no extraordinary. Na baby ye free no menyini se Ghana nkwa abibi mai abibifo ye no ade bia enye ono na indirectly do bia be bia no criticize it. That is the biggest problem we have. Adentia because your family na ye adwuma ye normal the way I see pen and the way I see pesenka enye Asantehene kwa ko we no oye ohene metimaka se Ghana tribe no Asantes and ye the majority in the country or the nation called Ghana. What do you say? Asantes are the majority in terms of tribe, and even region crown. They are the majority. The tribe, no Asante tribe, no tribe be organ be Asantes ne dos no mina. Na mekanisa na mekano the people whom they pay their homage to Asante kingdom. So what you say? Because Asante itself, no, it's not a certain tribe in Akan history, but it's a group of people who have one common ideology, they have one common culture, and also they have one common customs. And the Asantes are the majority, in fact, the most majority tribe in Ghana. I can say it that way. And when you know Asantehene na dai na no a oni mama o man for ne how e chen wa wote anade ode wadwene be and you know your beka bia ye de ne man no o man dai aka kire no anade wasua hunu anade onim anase siditie and benefit so bia anwo a onye dai onimu a chieftaincy no we have different kinds of chieftaincy in Ghana. We have maternity inheritance. So what you say? Any your paternity inheritance. Na ni nyina ye amanyo a chieftaincy way a way of chieftaincy. Way of living no. Culture no. Asantehene was speaking on behalf of the Akans. Sense way on way Akan or Ohina or Akan side. Into yes no. Ye di enadie ye di ne maternity inheritance intino ye di ofase ye di nadie esanse ye gidi se abusua ekomugem se wate ase abusua komugem ya ene na me wafase ene emi mugya esan se me ba be me bie ni ho a umuja wo bem. We should be very careful of that. Be me bie ni ho a wan kasa wo bem and oba wo no umuja ketekete kura wo ni mu. Be ma muja enko ni bem. And in TCA na what they do is they do with saliva or they do with sperm. And I say, hey, so what you say? Either so no saliva and intestine, and now utrimi and now sperm. Emuja be any. So oba de nimuja wani bemu. Inti oba adie differentiate oba nenema eba nenema me scissors. So oba wa sa anko no ya the scissors enitwa na a separate no. Good. So yet treat it no yet hyehyɛ no. Ye gidi se abusua muja. Enu nti no se wonye busuani bi a akonwa bi to firma a untimi nkopre no wadi. Esan se wonye boja, wonye ade ase. Enu nti wonye de hye. Eno ena ma Asantehene ka kyerɛ se uteki size it creates problems because you might take sides of your interest whilst it's not the law or enye ne kwan so no and it's ekobasa na ama odi mentim ho ase ayede aba society bia na omuni culture no on say the kind extra culture enti no the moment amuni culture no moye mo ma odonim enti asenim. So the moment ya culture no among from fanya she na ubi live in life si si better no eho enema culture ni collapse pe na adwuma na ye diama law enforcement unit no because be also mo tracking enu nti no baby e dan one fan to ha dey e free talk o kan bibi fa fene say Sampa ena tanoso Kabodom de said Asimbia ni hosa, but in Comodie na oka abem. Sampa a home comodie, Yakanwi ama Ikura osisudia, port a confirme. Intimini ni se issue be all. Dear all ye be or try so but destabilize peace our society on him rano and Elsinya. And on Dimra, any court say Ediagro. Now, you see, we live in a society, politicians, also Asantehene can say, you create problems when you take sides in chieftaincy disputes. The moment we take sides, now we take sides now, we pass, no how no, about some more. And yet the order no cry, so what you say, and yet the order no cry, the order no cry, the order no cry, and a but why? Oh, who take his size no una oha the laws and the security agencies at the community empenforce obi na wibi obi akunya odi bia either sene wofa ana eye mama akunya nso a ne papa ena niti ena wabidi ana se wo mabusu ne wofa ena niti ena wabidi enti no ade wo fi no echese wona namo abokwan to ena oba nti usan a o se adwumaden ene osoma ame na nanem wofa na me wofa na me papa mo som ye ena me ba beto aso obaya osoma se mo makwan ade nti na me wofa mo kwa Asante me de me nko ade na me na mo ko esom wo achim me de me nko som wo achim ade na me na mo som wo ha me nko som wo ha eno ne create problems no because as we bu na na mo nimtia na saafo ni nyina omutena akonya na so akonya no gu omani mase so ofa koti kwan ema yedi usi enwa so a akonya no gu fom egu ani mase enti no Asantehene sama wo kan e na etwa kwesi na o hwe ba bi ti se tano so asema wo kan ya Asantehene so kana semi ya no relax on shedam gidi wo ho omo bleed no bleeders no omo ne anekasa wo akiri pa no mo mete no mo hu de omo ye Asantehene kana semi ya we adentia ansa na opem so bi na no be kan asem bi no na wa ye thorough investigation na onim de oka na onim se de oka e ya mamre e ya amane e hihye enye sa onye enye Asante amane a onye enye Asante hye ya onye de enye ne dia no onko prempeda onfa nye hwe ne unde ene dia de nipa da sani pinu ho Asante so bitima ji freelancing. And you'll be unfunctioning trip. With my day, with my rare, with my boys, and my did one day, one a baby prison. Who's an hour sponsor. Anywhere we one a baby prison one day. In job him so see today. The work can be the sanity. We nipa honest bit my from so nemuno. Na he near na hanshe no. One na mine na mampeni for I finish na mine hinimu na brempon. Any susu no mashim ashim beam and son of nano atuso. Inti hono oyem from so anyi. Isan say asema udiu the new court cases ebeba unya botre twe no ho hwem yi ansa na nano atuso. Onkasa keke se watia se emeni nkola bi bo chenku ye bo men se muntima men ka bi de meka bia no sante o ya beba ntino and mudro no ekusi ye kese no de so nya kese na fidie ni so kese kura no ye pa ba yira mai na fi ntimi pa nsase no enye nioma yi ne fata because unimde and I was sefata. And one thing people don't know is this world, we are we know. Yankopon bo ni we are cultured and also custom people. We are traditional. Anything has to do with democracy, politics, no. A Western ideology is a way of subsidizing and suppressing your will and your way of doing. No, critique all those we in free yame. So, but chieftaincy, I need the free yame. We use Christo Bass. He was only speaking about the kingdom of heaven. Kingdom. And you know, and an incidents, and yet by mistake be and a mode culture at the sea free France. And Asantehene dear, on young from so, I want to hear in the Casa Nation, Debbie. It's answer or Becassa. Ye shed your beca or general who or vesa a year fata and sanawaka. The emphata be and Simunubian Pimfina, Debbie. And then Asantehene. And then you skip Jana and Disanity.
Sampa the put as the Accra. Okay. Sampa for no mupeson but John Bono Regional House of Chiefs and that a Bono half. And for ye no more so Sampa nya Asante de. Say for you Sampa for nya Ghana for. Am mo twom da wure kese. Omo twom abo so a kopem se Nana Kofi so no. A otoso mienu. Sampa hena ne fe Nana Kofi so no otoso mienu. Ehun ekwan anase e ko Asantehene poku ware ho. Se na meso so meka Ghana ho be me ho hene. Ansa na Nana poku ware e ma ne muso ma Sampa baye Paramount. That is the year 1984. The year 1984. Sa him for year no most Sampa nyas enka Asantehene. They rebelled against Sampa. So many Ghana for. And ne almost omuno omunsa ewo Sampa hini ma omuna be kire de obaye Sampa hini. No entra custom emu custom so doesn't that violate Asante custom? Entina na mebusa amaya twa adwena ko Sampa ne tano so mo no. Ohwe tano so a Abrante a yefena na kokuko aten anase koku Asante na wabo ne ho safene ne se on de won twe ne ho amma ni pa Asantehene agine no amede hene no ena yese kwatwere aba kokumu aye contempt of court ho o de afa ho akwatwena aba kokumu enti so hwen samfu a Asantehene ko kan no Ghana Police Service emra okọ honsra hwena na gese kame say no because custom will forever remain the law and our culture will forever remain our constitution. Enti enne obetwe de say so bu aka say enam nsema Asantehene kan yinti no Ghana Police Service ebedi omudwuma said yes.
So Ghana Police Service no if it is nyana so mudi omudwuma now say police adwuma na ankwankure enyini baba ako akasa meni kwa akasa nti kwa kusi wasasa na dwiri nti bibia ye oki ebi nti sa kwa kubet mine yi na kwa mana anya ne de se wati ase nti police institution no na Osei omusoro waka na omude omuna isi form Na opemiso de wakanasem. It's up to them to reassure themselves and the country they securitize. And you know, Sampa ni we sense mono. Any Nana Yaw Sammor-Duah II. Opemiso okasawi no. Ono na ye the only mandatory right person utimi electi Sumahene was Sampa. Nobody else, not even a court. Na the entire almost case nesa court nesa Sampa dena making. That another there was a case pending on the court needing ruling by because of Bono Regional House of Chiefs no allude certain allegations be concerning Samahene. You know, the assembly we are na say opemiso de we ni hene the ahene de yenye hene wo court asem na omde call eno mubua ma ye sese ibuama no ayese fata because National House of Chiefs afia no muntimima na obi a court ina kasana court make final decision se munko na munko gazette omsiye gazette no mu ye de omupe echesenye de nipa omra na omude hye omonsem ena de na make kan say Ghana no edu be de no ma di agro kakra the moment that the only time a bit my serious and say be enforce law niama law are taking it cost and you say whosoever or in charge of the security affairs so omuye favoritism the law can't take it cost. In fact, the law will be weakened in terms of its way of performing. So what you say, and you know, Asantehene de wakanasem, and then Nikrobia, as I said, Nikrobia and Nikrobia, a matter of time, and I will be adding an issue. It will fall to its right position. Only put the same PNT, or be habit to me, aye, and no maybe and some for of which or yana kukuswa diabetes. Does it help? A debaku we say, a baby will say, and for how no member, and some are okay, and for how, and no unimro, and no nama, and clubbery, or Musubra, or one. I mean, dear, Mr. Akulevia said, a dear Winimro, and Fancy, Adriana, or to see Mammy Buchiasun, a you what you are dear. As some are winning them for an uncle. And a dear one who didn't know and can be. Yet, any high honey echo apprentice my fee. Ah, so to me. And you know, the first own fee will interest would depend, but a matter of time. One gas and gas a big and yajaho. Na show I who know what to work on it. Because at the end of Diano, a crew crowds are quick, no jar to an apple baby after. Insanity.
You are in a better was it. Na ya de Nejuma Dinasia.
You can cram in the Mekashi, Nana Man.
Open ya da was it. That's an ebessa bound champion.